Replacement windows. Rowlett TX is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of window options available, including vinyl windows and double-hung windows, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Window contractors in Rowlett TX offer expert guidance and professional installation to ensure long-lasting results. Energy-efficient windows in Rowlett are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Window efficiency in Rowlett, Texas, is a top priority for homeowners seeking sustainable and cost-effective solutions. Vinyl window installation in Rowlett is a preferred option due to its durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them an ideal choice for the Rowlett climate. Window materials in Rowlett TX are selected for their ability to withstand local weather conditions while providing aesthetic appeal. Replacement windows. Rowlett offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for residential windows in Rowlett. Window styles in Rowlett TX vary widely, allowing homeowners to customize their window designs to match their home's architecture. Custom windows in Rowlett, Texas, provide homeowners with the flexibility to create unique window solutions tailored to their specific needs. Whether it's a unique shape or a specific material, window experts in Rowlett, Texas, can design and install custom windows that enhance both the appearance and functionality of a home. Window repair services in Rowlett are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of home windows. From fixing broken window glass to addressing issues with window frames, window repair in Rowlett ensures that windows remain in optimal condition. Window maintenance in Rowlett TX is a key component of preserving window efficiency and extending the lifespan of windows. Home window replacement in Rowlett is a significant investment that can greatly improve a home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Replacement windows in Rowlett TX are available in a variety of styles and materials, allowing homeowners to choose the best option for their needs. Window upgrades in Rowlett, Texas, can transform the look and feel of a home while providing practical benefits. Window contractors in Rowlett TX are skilled professionals who provide a range of window services, from installation to repair and maintenance. These window specialists in Rowlett are knowledgeable about the latest window enhancements and improvements, ensuring that homeowners receive the best possible service. Window solutions in Rowlett TX are tailored to meet the unique needs of each client. Replacement windows Rowlett, Texas, is available in various types, including tempered and laminated glass, to provide safety and security for homes. Window frames in Rowlett are crafted from materials such as wood, aluminum, and vinyl, each offering distinct advantages. Window designs in Rowlett reflect the latest trends and innovations in the industry. Window enhancements in Rowlett TX include features such as low-E coatings and argon gas fills, which improve window efficiency and performance. Window improvements in Rowlett, Texas, can significantly reduce energy bills and enhance indoor comfort. Window options in Rowlett, Texas, are diverse, providing homeowners with a wide range of choices to suit their preferences and budget. Residential windows in Rowlett are designed to meet the specific needs of homeowners, offering both functionality and style. Window services in Rowlett encompass everything from initial consultation to final installation, ensuring a seamless experience for clients. Window specialists in Rowlett are dedicated to providing high-quality window solutions that enhance the beauty and efficiency of homes.